This video is designed to provide step-by-step instructions on how to troubleshoot oxygen concentrator issues. First, verify oxygen setting on the machine leader flow indicator. Attempting to operate the concentrator at settings below 1 LPM, or at the very top maximum flow setting, for any length of time will result in alarm sounds and lights. Check to make sure the machine is tightly plugged directly into the wall outlet. Remember not to use extension cords. You can verify the outlet has power by plugging a lamp or radio in the same outlet. Is there a power failure in your area? Next, check the circuit breaker or reset button on the concentrator. Locate and press the reset button if it has extended out, indicating the circuit had detected a fault. If there is a humidity jar present, make sure the bottle lid is sealed squarely and securely. Crooked or cross-threaded lids will allow oxygen to escape the circuit before reaching the user. Examine plastic humidity cups for cracks that would also allow oxygen to escape. On some models, the humidity cup screws directly onto the concentrator fitting. Be sure this connection hasn't loosened during the water refill process. After that, verify everything is tightly connected. Check for any crimps, kinks, or knots in the oxygen tubing that may be preventing the free flow of oxygen. Can you feel oxygen coming from the cannula? To test, place the tube that you put in your nose into a glass of water. If you observe bubbles when it's submerged, there is a flow of oxygen present. Finally, check to make sure the intake filter is free of lint, pet hair, or other debris, and nothing is obstructing the airflow such as drapes or a bedspread. Allow at least 6 inches clearance between the intake filter and wall. If all of these checks have been completed and the oxygen concentrator still isn't working, then it may be time for a technician to take a look at the machine. You can find manufacturer manuals and other video resources on our website at www.binsons.com/resources.